Hey. Sup? Oh my gosh. So nice seeing you here, honestly. What the flip is up, guys? What the flip is up? My feet are so cold. I'm gonna put some socks on because they're so cold. So, why do I get so uncomfortable while filming a video nowadays? I don't know, but I just get so uncomfy. Why am I wearing a bucket hat? Because my hair is not done. It's bad right now, but it's okay because that's what the video is about, guys. We're gonna do my hair. Ah! So basically today's video, I don't even know.
Okay, so I don't like explain this video well at all in this intro. So basically what this video is basically how I do my hair. So like the products I use in it, how I do my bangs, how I usually curl my hair, and just a little backstory of my hair, honestly, just, oh my gosh. Basically just how I do my hair. So yeah, okay, peace.
Quick little disclaimer, I don't usually do my hair, especially for school, because I wake up, I don't have time in the morning since I sleep in. So I usually just do my bangs, like my curtain bangs, and then call it good. That's what I'm gonna be showing you today. And I'm so excited to be using a DUVOLLE curling iron. Thank you so much to DUVOLLE for sending this curling iron to me and partnering with me on this video. I'm excited, not gonna lie. So basically DUVOLLE is, oh my gosh, that's sharp. Ow, that sucks. DUVOLLE is like a hair styling company, so they have like flat irons and different kinds of curlers and all kinds of like heat hairstyling place things, majiggers. If you know what I'm trying to say here, don't know, I can't just like spit it out, but like I can't, so it's fine. So basically they sent me this curling iron to try, so I'm gonna try it for the first time on camera. I usually use my NuMe flat iron to curl my hair and straighten it, obviously, but this thing likes to do a lot of damage to my hair. So I know curling irons still give off a lot of heat, but to me, in my mind, I feel like it's not as much because that I'm like really like pressing hard on my hair. I don't know. I just want to try it with a curling iron, see if I can get the same results that I would with my NuMe, but also I'm going to show you how I would usually curl my hair if I was using a curling iron. This makes no sense, but like, it's okay. It's honestly fine. It's honestly fine. Anyway, I'm also gonna anyway, if you guys want to check out their hairstyling products, I actually have a discount code. It's TillyJoan 70, so you get 70% off your purchase, which is kind of like a big deal, so you should snatch it up while you can. They have really cool products, so I mean, I'm just saying. Okay, I think we should just get started with this video. So here is the dealio. Let's start with my hair. So this is my hair after taking a shower last night, letting it air dry a little bit, and then sleeping with the ends wet. This is the result. This is what it usually looks like. It has a little bit of, I wouldn't call it a curl, but like a kink or something. It's so weird. Sometimes it's straighter, sometimes it's curlier. I don't even know how to explain it to you guys. Yeah, it's just kind of all over the place. And then I have my curtain bangs that are actually just my grown out bangs that are getting really long because I'm growing them out, guys. I look like a man. They're getting really long because I'm growing them out because they were so flippin' damaged. They just stopped being undamaged.
Okay, what I mean by being undamaged is like they're like fixed. Like it's not damaged anymore. I don't know where I got undamaged, but they're healthy hair, so yeah.
Because I've been using this shampoo. Let me go grab it. Hold on. I got it. Okay, I've been using these shampoo. These are the travel size ones, but these are called Olaplex. This stuff is kind of amazing. It repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. So I was mainly concerned with like these little pieces right here that used to be so damaged they would just stick straight up. I mean, they still kind of do sometimes. They're not right now because they're not styled, but it was bad. And then I started using these and it literally fixed my hair. This isn't sponsored. This is just like, if you have damaged hair, like get yourself into this. I got mine at Sephora. It's kind of awesome. Kind of highly recommend. So yeah, going back to the part where I'm saying that my hair is damaged. Not about because I just ran. So basically, I don't apply heat to I don't apply heat to like this much of my bangs. Like I don't apply heat to my bangs anymore, my current bangs, because I don't want them to get damaged, because I'm trying to grow them out. And if they get damaged, they'll just break off. So, well, okay, I shouldn't say I don't apply heat. I don't apply like straightener. I use my blow dryer to curl my bangs, and they don't look as good as they would if I used a straightener, but I don't want to have damaged hair. So I'll show you guys once we get to like the actual hairstyling part part, I'll show you guys how I do that in the bathroom. But my hair is so crazy sometimes. Okay, now moving on to the products I use on my hair. Sorry, my drawer's right here. I mainly use two things, especially like when I get out of the shower. They're both AVEDA products. This one is the AVEDA Brilliant Damage Control Heat Protector. I just apply this to keep my hair protected because my hair, since it's so bleached, it loves to get damaged. And then this is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So I apply this also, and I mainly apply this one like right here. So like if I put it through my hands, I'll go like this and like, you know, to help my hair. It's also heat protected, so this is just protecting my hair, you know. And then if I'm feeling snazzy, I'm not super lazy, I'll put the Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Curl Defining Hair Cream to enhance my curls, which I don't even have curls. This just makes my hair a little bit more. But anyway, on to like the actual part of the video that you actually came here to see and like actually care about is styling my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. I've already opened it. Surprise, surprise. So this is the 32 millimeter one, which is about 1.5 inches. So yeah, I'm gonna plug her in. Oh my gosh, they have little thingies on it. So I'm gonna turn it on. This one also has like you can control the heat. So I'm gonna turn my up to like 390. So okay, here's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna put you on my vlog camera, my tiny camera. That way we can go in the bathroom and I can show you guys how I do my bangs. Because we gotta fix these bad boys. They are so bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna like, I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh, you're now on my vlog camera. Wow, wowie. Okay, let's go to my bathroom. Okay, so I'm going to this bathroom, which is like my mom's bathroom. Also, it's our laundry room, so it's kind of messy. I've never shown this bathroom because it's always a mess because this is where we do laundry and stuff. So the toothbrushes I use are these two. This is so trashy. I'm so sorry. Wow, okay, I'll use these two. They have hair all over them. That's disgusting. But one is like tiny if I'm like really trying, and one's just big. And then we have our blow dryer, which is a, honestly, I have no idea what kind of blow dryer it is. But what I'll do is I'll take this and I'll like roll it, roll my hair on it like that. Take the blow dryer on, I'll turn it on the low one, and oh, that's high. And I'll just kind of roll it through my hair. Yeah, professional hairstylist right here, guys. Okay, back to my big camera. Oh my gosh, welcome back. So they don't look, wow, I'm talking so loud. They don't look too different, just a little bit more oomph, a little more pep in them stuff. But I'll show you guys how I make them even better. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take a chunk. I'll always brush it just so I don't like, because it's always good. I'll take the curling iron and I'll wrap it around 2-3-ish times. 2 times, that's 2 times, right? Because my hair doesn't go anymore. And then I'll let it go like that. See, my thing is I like curling my hair with a straightener because it like straightens it while also curling it. So it just looks very clean, but the thing with curling iron is it looks messy, which I like the messy look. So it's really all in the mood, you know? So I'll just do this a lot, and I don't really change the direction. I know that looks cool, but I always just end up forgetting, and so it just never really happens. So yeah, I wish I had somewhere to go after this, but I honestly don't. I just will be doing homework after I film this. So homework, I'm gonna look snazzy for you. Okay, I'm gonna curl my hair and then I'll be right back, guys. So now what I do is I'll just kind of like floof my hair, you know, just to let all the curls kind of like settle a little bit, and it looks like this. Now the curls aren't very intense, but they're super, I actually love how this turned out. This curling iron's good, guys. I've never tried it before and it's good. I should turn it off where I hurt myself though. That is it for today's video. This video was kind of chaotic, but like when is my videos not chaotic, you know?
I forgot to mention this again at the end of the video, but if you guys want to go check out the curling irons and other curling irons that they offer, click the link in the description. And don't forget to use my discount code TillyJoan70. That way you can get 70% off, which is kind of a deal. So like, you should try it out. But yeah, that's all. Back to you, Tilly. Ah!
But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you should give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, you should subscribe actually. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget, never stop buzzing your buzz. And I'll see you next week. Bye.